Here's how I made
This
this
is
video.
Ellie from Pokio, the big sneeze.
Look, guys. So look, this is how I made it. So apparently, this video has a consonant, very good sense of, and this video only got 2 comments. So here's how I made it. So guys, this is based off by this video.
Adobe Express cut my social post making time in half. It's so cool that I could bring my illustration.
Oh, look! Pocoyo, Pato, and Ellie are building a tower. They're taking turns putting...
Like this, guys. That's how I made it.
Ellie?
Oh dear, I think she's going to blow.
And then this. And that's how I made it.